Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts, and we're still working on it. I know it's kind of noisy. I've got an air conditioner unit that I'm breaking in, and I've got a generator outside. But you know what? We're busy, and we're making videos to do the same thing. We're still RVing in 3 days. No time to stop. So today, I'm installing a water filter in the old RV right under this sink that I'm facing. And let's do it. This is a water filter with its own separate tap, and we're going to install this in the RV. And I believe this is the last big installation I have. We've got 3 days until we're going full-time RVing. Let's get to it. Let's open this box, shall we? So the first thing I notice, supply line and the valve that will tap into the supply line. So what this does is this taps right into the known cold water supply line, and then you just turn it on and turn it off right here. All right. And then this feeds up to the filter and back off of the filter into the tap up top. Miscellaneous parts that I'm going to need to install it. Here's the top of the tap. Nice. What else we got here? We got the filter itself. And what I like about this filter is it is a efficient filtration, Waterdrop undersink ultra filtration water filter. It is supposed to get a lot of stuff, and it's made to last a long time. And you know what? It stays out of sight, out of mind. And really, in an RV, all I'm really worried about is my drinking water. I mean, I'll shower in sandy water or whatever else like that, but I want my drinking water to be pure and fresh. And this thing is supposed to do that for me. And plus, and you always want an outside filter also. I do have an outside filter that's right off of the tap, the hose bin, and then this is my secondary filter underneath my sink. So looking forward to this. And then you have your up top tap. I will have to drill a hole in the countertop to make this work. All right. And we have some miscellaneous, PFT tape and the all important instructions. And oh, very cool. We got labels that you put on when you put the filter in there, because it's supposed to last, I think, under harsh conditions. I think I'll read again, but I think it's supposed to last 6 months, and I would consider our full-time RVing probably harsh conditions. And then just miscellaneous. We got a sticker to put up to where I drill the holes. That's pretty convenient, and a sticker to put where I drill the hole for the tap up top. Very nice. So this is a complete kit. So I got kind of carried away with my installation job, but there it is. It's all installed. I've got the input coming in there, and that comes input from the line, the valve right here. And we just have to simply turn this valve like this. And then I have the output coming right over here, right there. And that goes up to the sink, right up there. And then we'll come up here, and it goes up to this nice little brushed metal sink right here. How cool is that? Go out and get yourself that, what do we call it here? The Waterdrop undersink water filtration system. I think it's great.